Okay, you guys, before I get started on my eyeshadow look, I already did my makeup. Um, so all I'm going to do is just show you guys my eyeshadow and then give you the full glam after the fact. Okay, I am going to be using my box of crayons eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I just got this a little bit ago, and this is my first time ever really doing eyeshadows um, with different colors and things like that. So I've just been testing it out with this box of crayon eyeshadow palette, and if I like the way the eyeshadows look, like I've tried a couple of different ones, and you'll see a few different videos on different tutorials, I should say. So if I like it, I'll keep getting more eyeshadow palettes, and if I don't, you probably won't see me doing too many eyeshadow palette tutorials. So like I said, I'm going to be doing the box of crayon eyeshadow palette, and I am going to be doing a bit of the blue green, maybe more of like an ocean is what I've been thinking lately. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then the full glam after that. Okay, so let's get started.